I'm here with YGWigs today. This is how the package is looking. I got it in a string bag. It came in a box as well. Nice packaging. I always like get them string bag here. You can always use them to store stuff and even the wigs. So this is a box. I like the little black and gold vibe. Okay, this is the hair we're working with today. This is the color. I love that I got it in a wavy texture. Now this is a headband wig. Okay, headband wigs have become one of my recent faves because it's so easy to work. Watch your name. I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna show you what is in the box yet. But see here, these are the oh my gosh, excuse my nails, they'll be done soon, as I said in my last video. So headband wig, this is a code HBW11. It's 150% in density and it's loose deep wave. It's 20 inches long and it's number 27 color. Okay, so if you wonder about the color, it's number 27. Oh my god, they sent me headbands. Okay, my light get the headband in, me nah lie. So I got mustard, I got like wine red or burgundy, if you want to put it like that, and I got two more in here that are like patterns. Yeah, I like them little something there. You need nice headbands when you're going to get your headband wig. Like number one thing, I got 2-section clips, got extra elastic band, I got wig cap, and I got one of these brush for your edges. That's everything that came in the package. But I really love the fact that it's a wavy hair, this color. Usually I don't get like wavy or curly hair in these. I'm just running my finger through it to see what the shedding is like. Let's see, focus. I really want you guys to see. I didn't get much from it. I mean, that's a given. You're going to get some shedding. It looks really pretty. I'm wondering if I should wet it up or just, I feel like I'm gonna get it down for it. And then it will dry down. It's the prettiest that way. As you guys can see, I even went ahead and I got a little glam. I do have a video on this glam, a little get ready with me makeup edition. So this is how the headband portion is, just like all the others that I've gotten, and it has combs on the inside to help secure it. 3 combs up here up top, 1 in the back, so it's very secure when you go ahead and apply it. I got it wet. It looks really good. It's not giving me yellow vibes. Already did my little edges. One thing I was scared about is the fact that my hair is black and then it's blonde, so I was like, how is this going to look? Because they didn't like do dark roots here, which I wish it had dark roots. So that's how that looks. So now I'm gonna put on one of these headbands. I really love this one. So
you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be with anyone.
as I said, it's 20 inches, but it feels so long. It feels more like 22. Feels really good. It looks really good. Feels really good. Very convenient. Imagine if you bleach out your hair and your hair is like the same shade and you just flip this on. That's gorgeous. It's even better. But like, I love this headband. It's really cute. I love the feel of it, as I said before, and when it dries I know it's gonna look so pretty. I really wanted to show you guys this with the headband though, and you have, as I said, you got like options. You can say you have different headbands to go with your outfits. You can really just like, you can actually be versatile with this, you know. Yeah. Guys, this wig is so easy. It doesn't take any time for the application. Like, it's really quick and easy, nothing hard. All you need to do is just have your edges done and you're good. Like, you're good. I'm going to put all the information on this wig down below, so if you're interested, if you love the blondie vibes but you want something easy, something that's easy to blend, doesn't take a lot of time, no hassle, all that jazz, go ahead and check out this wig because it's definitely it. It's definitely it. I'm going to be wearing this out this evening. I'm just going to have food. I'm going to eat. That's it. And we're following the rules, okay? So don't be alarmed, okay? We're following the rules. We make sure we cleanse everywhere we go. We wear our masks. Also, if you want to keep up with my daily life, you go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, see what it's like here in Jamaica. But yeah, YGWigs, big up on yourself. This wig is bomb. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to be done with the rambling for now. So thank you guys again. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And leave your thoughts down below. Leave your suggestions down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself.